Hey, what's up? It's your boy SK Visions, and today we got another video for y'all. Today we're gonna be doing a one light beauty setup, and this time we're gonna be using a reflector. Today I got my beautiful model Jaylene here today. I'm gonna leave her Instagram in the description below. And yeah, we're just gonna show you guys how to get this done with one light reflector. This reflector costs around $29 to around $40. It depends on which size you get. You could get a lot of accessories for it too, as far as grids, but we're not gonna go over grids today. So today, my settings right now, this is not gonna be the final settings. I just have something random. It's gonna be 1/125 for the shutter speed. It's gonna be f5.6, and I'm at ISO 100. I'm gonna be using the AD400, and right now my output for light is 1/1/4. The reason for that is because I don't wanna use this at full power as I normally do. I'm gonna be using this at around half or a quarter because this reflector actually magnifies the light that comes out of it. So I just wanna mention that before I start. Again, I'm on 1/1/4. So I'm gonna take a test shot with Jaylene. And as you can see, that is bright. Unless that's what you're going for, you could keep it. If not, then I'm gonna switch it. I like to show the melanin in my models. You see what I'm saying? I gotta show the richness of the chocolate. See, I represent for the chocolate ladies over here. So I'm gonna turn this down just a little bit. I'm probably gonna put this f-stop at f.8, and I'm gonna leave the ISO as is. All right, so another test shot. All right, so it's coming together. I do want it a little darker. I could change the output of the light. I could move this back some so you can get rid of a lot of the light, or I could raise my f-stop. I could play with my ISO, but I'm gonna raise this to probably f11, which is my sweet spot in studio. The reason for f11 too is because I like everything to be sharp. I don't like blurry eyes, I don't like blurry lips, blurry nose, nothing. So I'm gonna take it at f11, and you're gonna see it got darker. I can see the chocolate, I can see everything. All right, I'm probably gonna raise my ISO a bit to maybe 1/125. ISO 125. I'm gonna take another test. Perfect. So as you can see, melanin is melaninin, and I am liking the fact that the light on the hair is really playing a big part in it, because I was gonna try to use a hair light, but I think this clamshell can be done. This clamshell, you can find this on Amazon for around $79 to $89. If you buy it with a stand, you can get it for $89. Without the stand, it's $79 on Amazon. So I'm ready. You ready? You ready? All right, I'm ready. I'm gonna take some. So again, well, not again, I ain't even started. I'm gonna focus on the position of the model herself. I'm gonna make sure that the light is flattering to the position that she's at. Also, I have her far away from the backdrop because I do not want a lot of light on the backdrop. I want it to be moody, and I want her to pop out of the frame. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm ready. I'm gonna start with no hands, Jaylene. And I'm gonna get different angles. I'm doing my photographer stance, yes. Just like that. Effortlessly, this is what a top model can give you. Right there, yes. And while I'm shooting, I'm changing the zoom on my camera lens. Oh, to make sure I have a Tamron 70 to 200 lens. The reason why I have a Tamron and not a Canon is because I'm cheap. I'm gonna always say that until I'm rich. All right, do a couple more. Yes. Yeah. All right, Jaylene, I'm gonna have you use your hands to your face, and I just want you to freestyle it for me. Yes. This makes it have a lot more emotion for me. So you can use two hands. Yeah. And I just love the light. This is what you can achieve with just some small investments. All right, no hands again for a second. I'm gonna let you turn straight on. But you can tilt your head. You can turn your head at different positions now. All right. Yes. My ultimate goal as a photographer is to always make it on Jaylene's page. So if I can do that, I'm good to go. This light went out, let me turn it back on. All right, this is also a good constant light. AD400 does a very good job with the reflector. So this alone, you could do videos with this. It don't even matter. Yes, I'm gonna do a lot of close-ups now. Yes. Get some from this angle. Please leave in the comments to tell Jaylene to post these photos, please. If she don't, y'all got her Instagram blur up for me. Wow, so let me look through this real quick. So you really do not need 4, 5, 6 lights for this. A lot of this stuff in the beauty industry, you can achieve with one light, and it doesn't have to be the most expensive modifier. The reflector, again, magnifies a lot of the light, so she's glowing right now. All right, a couple more. That should be good. Easy. How long did that take? That take about 5 minutes. 5 minutes worth of shoot. I'm not a long shooter. My shoots don't last more than 15 minutes, to be honest. Because why? Why do I need to shoot 19,000 photos for you to pick 3? Yes. And I'm gonna do a lot of open mouth like how you did. So just separate it just a little bit. Yes. Hope y'all like the blue background. You ready? I picked it myself. I tried to find a background that could match the makeup look. So it was either purple or blue. And I decided purple because I'm not purple, I mean blue. I'm tripping. All right, so there you have it. Just a simple reflector. Again, this is $29. I can show you. This is a Bowens mount reflector. These work well with Godox lights. Very inexpensive. You don't need nothing. So that's it for today. Please leave down in the comment section below if you want something similar to this, if you want something different, don't matter. Let me know what you would like to see. And I got this, man. This is nice. So thank you for tuning in. And as always, I'm out. Oh, one more thing. Please follow my videographer, D_BaconBoy on Instagram. Best videographer out here. I 100% promote everything that he does. I'm the best friend ever. Also, I want to say a shout out to my makeup artist. Her name is Essential Artistry. on Instagram. She's a fellow Jamaican, so I gotta support her. You see this black skin, this beautiful black skin? This is what she does. She makes sure that it's shining. She makes sure that everything is okay with this black skin. So, you know, shout out to Essential Artistry. That's my girl. All right, I'm out again. Bye.